फैमिली मैन हो या साइलेंस हो, ये दोनों जॉनर बिल्कुल अलग है, कहानियां बिल्कुल अलग हैं। थ्रिलर, फैमिली मैन थ्रिलर नहीं है। फैमिली मैन एक आम आदमी की कहानी है, एक आम आदमी जो अपने परिवार और अपने काम के बीच में फंसा हुआ है, उसकी कहानी है।
अगर आपकी कास्ट अच्छी हो, आपके कैरेक्टर्स भी अच्छे हो, then the script which you have, your characters that you have, your actors just take that character a step ahead. And then all you have to do is start molding and saying, no, I don't think you should say this right now. I don't think you should do this right now.
1995, yeah, I was like 14 years old when I saw Satya, and tab se, like, I've just been a fan, yeah. And over the years, year after year, like gem after gem of a performance.
If I have to start with Arjun, I must tell you that I have told him that I have been keeping an eye on his progress and growth from the first music video that he has done, and that he was quite surprised with. I from that time I remember this face, this actor.
All right, so I'm very excited about this chat. I have with me the star cast, rather the team of ZEE5's upcoming film Silence. Can you hear it? I have with me Manoj Bajpayee sir, Arjun Mathur, and the director or the captain of the ship, as they say, Aban Paruchate. Welcome everybody, welcome. कैसे हैं सब लोग?
Thank you.
Thank
Very
you.
well, thank you.
Good to see you, Manoj sir. Good to see you doing fine. And also, many congratulations, of course, on the National Award. It's so amazing.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so moving to Silence. First of all, the trailer looks amazing, बहुत intriguing है, and I personally love these kind of, lot of suspense and thrill and all of that. So I'm definitely in for a great time. Manoj sir, मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगी now you have, like, we've seen you in a thriller kind of a genre with with Family Man and all of that. How do you make sure कि एक किरदार दूसरे किरदार से अलग हो, and especially जब वो थोड़े same genre में होते हैं, same space में होते हैं, how do you make sure कि लोगों को उस किरदार की याद ना आए, and they actually accept you in this new character and not go back to the old one?
अब देखिए, मैं मेरी सारी तैयारी ना शूटिंग पे आने से पहले होती है, और दूसरा मैं शूटिंग पे आने से पहले मैं बहुत प्रिपरेशन कर लेता हूँ अपनी, और उसके बारे में सोचना, उसके बारे में करना, उसके बारे में पढ़ना, और वो स्क्रिप्ट को पढ़ना, कई बार पढ़ना, सारी की सारी चीजें हो जाती हैं। लेकिन मैं अपने डायरेक्टर के साथ मिलके मैं बहुत सारी मीटिंग्स करता हूँ, बहुत बार स्क्रिप्ट रीडिंग करता हूँ, बहुत बातें करता हूँ उनसे, उनको समझने के लिए कि वो क्या चाहते हैं। लेकिन to answer your question, I must tell you that all the scripts and all the world in those scripts are completely different from each other, and also they are directed by different people, and when the directors are different, their requirements are very different. And Family Man हो या Silence हो, ये दोनों genre बिल्कुल अलग है, कहानियां बिल्कुल अलग हैं। थ्रिलर, फैमिली मैन थ्रिलर नहीं है। फैमिली मैन एक आम आदमी की कहानी है, एक आम आदमी जो अपने परिवार और अपने काम के बीच में फंसा हुआ है, उसकी कहानी है। लेकिन जब साइलेंस जैसी फिल्म में आते हैं तो यहाँ पर ये काम ज्यादा फोकस होता है। साइलेंस जैसी फिल्म में जो वो काम कर रहा होता है किरदार, वो ज्यादा फोकस होता है, बाकी सब चीजें जो है सेकेंडरी होती हैं या पीछे होती हैं। तो हर दुनिया अलग होती है, किरदार सब अलग होते हैं। हर किरदार पे मैं काम, जैसा मैंने कहा, पहले से करके जाता हूँ। मैं शूटिंग के दिन जाकर के कैरेक्टर को ज्यादा खोजता नहीं हूँ, रिहर्सल्स करता हूँ मैं बहुत ज्यादा अपने सीन्स की, ताकि लाइनें बहुत अच्छी हो जाए, और उसके बाद फिर then I try to have fun with my characters. This is exactly what we do. I don't know. I think I have answered your question.
Yes, you have. Aban, I want to talk to you about this, like how Manoj sir just, pointed out the kind of preparation and the kind of things that he does before, coming onto the sets, and, like he said, कि बहुत meetings होती हैं director के साथ, So what was the kind of prep that was, required from your end as well for this one, in order to make sure कि सब चीजें बिल्कुल, it's accurate and it comes out बिल्कुल perfectly fine?
I think, see, it all starts basically with your script. So if your script, your characters are well defined and well edged, then it makes it easier for the actor also to understand where they should go. And I was very lucky because I had fabulous actors. अगर आपकी cast अच्छी हो, आपके characters भी अच्छे हो, then the script which you have, your characters that you have, your actors just take that character a step ahead. And then all you have to do is start molding and saying, no, I don't think you should say this right now. I don't think you should do this right now. I think you should hold back right now. This is what is meant in this line. So then your work becomes so much easier if your cast is fabulous.
But that's interestingly, I actually want to talk to you about that because you're an actor as well, and now you're also directing. So does that make it easier for you to sort of direct stuff now that you've also seen the other side of the camera?
See, I have been doing a lot of short films. I've directed a lot of short films. I've directed a lot of ads. I feel it's very comfortable if I am an actor because then I'm able to express what I want better.
Yeah.
So I try not to cross any lines because sometimes an actor can get very stubborn and want something only in a certain manner. But like I said, my actors were so good that they understood where I wanted them to go. So वो मुझे कोई भी at any given point of time वो tension नहीं हुआ.
Okay, Arjun, now to speak to you. जैसे अभी आपने बताया while you were answering about how you've Manoj sir, I think you're on mute.
Are you an actor?
Sorry, sir.
Are you an actor?
No, sir.
No, I don't know why I thought that you are an actor also.
Okay. Why do you think so?
I don't know. Something told me,
Okay.
or my daughter told me.
Oh. Okay, that's very interesting.
Come say hi. Say hi.
Hello.
Yeah, she said. Hello. Hi, Arjun. Hi. He has a house in Goa. She's in love with Goa.
Okay. Yeah.
Very hippie hai.
Okay. Arjun, I want to speak to you.
Haji.
How was it? What was your first reaction when you got to know that you're going to be doing a film with Manoj Bajpayee? I mean, he's a legend, as we all know. But जब आपको पता चला, what was? I mean, I got to know that you and Prachi had a very interesting reaction. So how was that like?
I mean, from the moment I actually knew that he was attached to the film before I even had a narration, so it was immediately very exciting to me. It was the draw for me initially to everything, and because I mean, like I said, I was 1995, I was like 14 years old when I saw Satya, and tab se, like, I've just been a fan, and over the years, year after year, like gem after gem of a performance, and and for an actor, I'm not so enamored by working with the biggest of stars and everything. It's my dream to work with actors with whom, whose work I've really respected over the years, and with whom I will actually get to have a give and take and exchange something, and it was not at all disappointing. Although, like, I think before we started shooting, I must have been a little jittery, but the level of comfort on the set and just the atmosphere of collaboration, at the end of it, we just it's really beautiful when on a set, no matter the stature of actor that you're working with and how nervous you are, and when you're on the set, it just becomes about, at the end of it, collaborating and creating the best scene possible, and for that, I don't think there are many actors like Mr. Bajpayee who are as generous and giving to other actors.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very true.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Manoj sir, so much love, itna प्यार, मतलब I think this is not the first time also. Everywhere you go, you have this, this impact that everybody just has so much love and respect for you for all these years that you've been working and you've been entertaining us. What do you have to say?
I mean, I must tell you that, uh, I believe I love these people who are talking about me, and they know this. They know that how much I admire them, and I love them. I though I'm laughing and sometimes joking around, but I have a very keen eye. I'm looking at them. I'm looking at their process. I'm looking at their preparation, and very silently admiring them. And I learn a lot from all the people that I'm surrounded with. I mean, if I have to start with Arjun, I must tell you that I have told him that I have been keeping an eye on his progress and growth from the first music video that he has done, and that he was quite surprised with. From that time I remember this face, this actor. Who completely impressed me in a music video. Can you believe a music video? I told my wife, this guy seems like a very good actor.
It was a very, very loving atmosphere on the set, I'm telling you. It was, first of all, just being there with Aban directing and Kiran sir on set, just watch with his watchful eye, and even Dev and Tanya. So it really felt like we were part of a family, and
family, yeah.
And that was another thing I must say, that right in the beginning, when I knew this is the situation with this film, I just knew ke theek hai, ye jo bhi hai na, it's going to be a film that the people who are making it really care about, and we all want to be part of projects that are cared for,
Right.
So yeah, and that's what this film is.
Lastly, I want to know from you, would you want to tell us one of your reasons, actually 2 reasons why you think कि लोगों को ये film देखनी चाहिए, which will be streaming on ZEE5 from the 26th of March. कोई भी 2 reasons.
और करेंगे क्या? इतनी अच्छी फिल्म नहीं देखेंगे तो करेंगे क्या? अच्छी फिल्म भाई देखनी है हमको अच्छी कोई चीज देखनी है. अगर अच्छी नहीं देखेंगे तो क्या बुरी देखेंगे? जरूरी है कि अच्छी चीज देखें. तो साइलेंस देखेंगे. Am I right or not, Arjun?
Absolutely. और नहीं तो क्या?
Best. It is the answer for everybody. Best answer देते हैं. And I think with such phenomenal actors on board, all of you and all of the other people also we don't have right now with us, सबको हमने इतना enjoy किया है, सबको देखा है हमने इतने सालों तक, and we've enjoyed all these performances that you all have entertained us with. So I think कि ये सब they are reasons enough for us to be watching Silence.